Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about a way to grow your net worth to 1 million. Let's get into the video. To be able to grow your net worth to 1 million will take a lot of effort and planning on your behalf. However, this can be achieved with some financial discipline. A method you can develop or create to achieve this would be by creating a budget and saving. Yes, budgeting and saving. Creating a monthly budget and sticking to it is crucial. It helps you track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and allocate more funds towards savings and investments. So stay patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time and discipline. There will be ups and downs, but by staying committed to your financial goals, you will eventually reach that $1 million milestone. So there you have it, folks. A way to grow your net worth to 1 million. Remember, it's not about overnight success. It's about consistent effort and smart financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.